This 2021 Heartland North Trail 31 BHDD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Heartland is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, oven, microwave, slide-out, water heater, TV, refrigerator, stovetop burner, self-contained, air conditioning, awning. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Heartland North Trail 31 BHDD is 7,012 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.